If you are looking for a waterfront property in a private boating community with direct access to the Gulf and no history of any flooding, then you just found it. Hi, my name is Kelly Olin, co-founder and modern luxury realtor with Residence by eXp Realty. And on behalf of my business partner, Amanda Bolduc, we would love to introduce you to our latest listing at 15860 Catalpa Cove, just off the Sanibel Bridge here in Fort Myers. If you are dreaming of the Southwest Florida boating lifestyle, give us a call or text us or visit our website, sellingswflorida.com. Again, my name is Kelly Olin, and on behalf of my business partner, Amanda Bolduc, we are your Southwest Florida modern luxury realtors with Residence by eXp Realty.